Turning now to the words we haven't seen yet surrounding the death of 18-year-old Anna Kepner of Brevard County.
The words are not contained in a document related to law enforcement. Suspected murder appears in a motion for a gag order. Those are the two words. West 2's Gail Pascal Brown live in studio to explain. Gail.
Yeah, this non-dissemination motion filed by Anna Kepner's stepmother is asking a judge to restrict individuals from publicly discussing the case or sharing any information about it. We also spoke with Anna's biological mother tonight.
18-year-old Anna Kepner was found dead on a Carnival cruise ship on November 7th. The medical examiner nor the FBI has not yet released her cause of death or how she died. But a new court document West 2 News obtained Friday, filed under the Family Law Division, has the word suspected murder in it. The document, filed in a separate and unrelated case Thursday by the attorney for Anna's stepmother, has to do with a custody battle. Part of it says, an extremely sensitive and severe circumstance has arisen wherein there is an investigation being conducted by the Federal Bureau of Investigations arising out of the suspected murder of the respondent mother's stepdaughter. This is the same case in which other documents stated Anna's 16-year-old stepbrother was considered a suspect in her death. We spoke with Anna Kepner's biological mother on the telephone to get her reaction.
It's not a suspected murder, like it's been proven. She is gone. She died. And now we don't have the FBI's actual or the coroner's actual cause of death.
What do you make of all this?
I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. I have no idea. Like I keep thinking it's just a nightmare and I'm going to wake up. I can't even imagine what my daughter was going through at that moment.
The new filing, which is a non-dissemination order, references the 16-year-old by saying the minor child is currently the subject of the active FBI criminal investigation. There is good cause for the need to protect the privacy, sensitivity, and well-being of not only the minor child, but the other individual family members involved. Anna Kepner's stepmother also wants the judge to require any further filings referencing the minor child or the parties of this action to be submitted under seal, preventing public access to certain public records.
The document also wants to prohibit either party from discussing, disclosing, or even posting any information concerning the family and court proceedings until the criminal investigation is over. Back to you.